In this video, we will explore how to set up an Nginx container with port mapping. Let's dive in and get started. A containerized web server packages all dependencies, configuration, and runtime into a lightweight, portable unit. It ensures that the web server runs consistently across different environments, eliminating the "it works on my machine" problem. Nginx is selected because of its high performance. It handles thousands of concurrent connections efficiently with a low memory footprint. It offers simple, readable configuration files with powerful features. It can act as a load balancer and reverse proxy for back-end services. Also, it provides official Docker images with minimal size and security focus, making it container-ready. To run an Nginx container, use the command docker run nginx. This command pulls the Nginx image from Docker Hub, if it's not already present locally, and runs it in a new container using the default settings. Port mapping is a technique that maps an external port on the host system to an internal port within the container. This allows you to access services running inside the container from the outside world. For example, mapping port 8080 on the host to port 80 on the container allows accessing the web server through the host port 8080. To map ports when running a Docker container, use the command docker run p8080:80 nginx. The p flag specifies the port mapping, where 8080:80 maps the host's port 8080 to the container's port 80. To run a Docker container in detached mode, which means it runs in the background, use the command docker run dp8080:80 nginx. This keeps the container running independently. The terminal remains free for other commands. To test your web server, open a web browser and navigate to localhost 8080. If everything is set up correctly, the default Nginx welcome page should appear, indicating that your web server is running successfully inside the container. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.